Welcome back to the video exercise for Introductory Indonesian 1. This is lesson 3 and the theme is Kuliah or lectures. For this video exercise, I'm going to read you 2 lists of words or terminology which you're going to watch, listen carefully, write them down, and then your task is to match them. Okay, siap? We ready? Okay, so I'm going to start with the list A. In both list A and B, we'll have 12 items. Okay, list A. Daftar A. Number 1, politik. Number 2, obatan. Number 3, pengadilan. Number 4, penyakit. Number 5, kucing. Number 6, bangunan. Number 7, jual beli. Number 8, puisi. Number 9, reboisasi. Number 10, udang. Number 11, gusi. The last one, number 12, kesehatan mental. So those are the words from list A. Now I'm going to dictate you words and terminologies from list B. We ready? So another 12 sets of words or terminologies. Yeah? On this list, we have number 1, Fakultas Ekonomi. Number 2, Fakultas Kehutanan. Number 3, Fakultas Kedokteran Gigi. Number 4, Fakultas Perikanan. Number 5, Fakultas Psikologi. Number 6, Fakultas Sosial Politik. Number 7, Fakultas Sastra. Number 8, Fakultas Farmasi. Number 9, Fakultas Hukum. Number 10, Fakultas Kedokteran. Number 11, Fakultas Kedokteran Hewan. Number 12, the last one, Fakultas arsitektur. Okay, so those are the two lists, lesson A and B, and we are talking about lectures or kuliah, so university if you like, you study. Your task is to watch and review this video, take note, write them down, translate, and try to match them. So there should be a connection between words on list A and B. We will see you at the next video.